How to get Reddit karma without posting. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, let's go to our list. So let's open our list. Here you guys will simply follow these four things, and if follow that for these things you will get karma without posting. The first one was you need to comment early on new posts in active subs, like you guys can ask Reddit for funny or memes etc. The second thing you need to do, you need to be funny or thoughtful comments on upwards fast. Like whenever someone posts, you need to be the first one and comment a very best ideal, or like it need to be very unique. The third thing, you need to reply to other to stay visible and get more engagement. Like if someone comment, you will reply to them. The fourth will be you need to avoid spam or self promotion. It kills growth. Like if you are commenting in any post and you're promoting yourself, so you don't need to be do that. So that's how you guys can increase karma without posting. Thanks for watching.